Hello students and welcome to Standard 9th Mathematics Digital class. Today we will start with Chapter 3 Polynomials. Students, you have learned algebraic expression in Standard 8th. An algebraic expression is a mathematical expression that consists of variables, numbers and operations. For example, 2x square y plus 7xyz. Now let's define a polynomial. In an algebraic expression, if the powers of the variables are whole numbers, then that algebraic expression is known as polynomial. Example, p cube minus 1 by 2 p square plus p. Here the power of first term is 3, power of second term is 2 and power of last term is 1. So that is all the powers are whole numbers and hence it is a polynomial. Similarly, in the second example, the powers of m and n are all whole numbers and hence it is a polynomial. 6 and negative 7 have a power of 0 and therefore 6 and negative 7 are also polynomial. Let's see types of polynomial based on terms. Monomial. A polynomial having only one term is called a monomial. Example, 2x, 5. Binomial. A polynomial with two terms is called binomial. Example, x raised to power 4 plus x. Here the two terms are x raised to power 4 and x. M square minus 3m. Here the two terms are m square and 3m. Trinomial. A polynomial with three terms is called a trinomial. Example, 1 by 2y square minus 2y plus 5. Here the three terms are 1 by 2y square, negative 2y and 5. X cube minus root 3x square plus 5x. Here the three terms are x cube, negative root 3x square and 5x. Polynomials are written as p of x or q of m or r of y according to the variable used. For example, p of x equals to x cube plus 2x square plus 5x minus 3 or q of m equals to m square plus 1 by 2m minus 7 or r of y equals to y square plus 5. Degree of a polynomial in one variable. The highest power of the variable of a polynomial in one variable is called degree of polynomial. Example, 2x raised to power 7 minus 5x plus 9. This is a polynomial in one variable, that is x. Now which is the highest power of the given polynomial? The highest power is 7 and therefore the degree of 2x raised to power 7 minus 5x plus 9 is 7. Example 2, m raised to power 5 minus 3m cube minus 2m square minus 10m plus 10. Now this is a polynomial in one variable, that is m. Now which is the highest power of the given polynomial? The highest power is 5. right? And therefore the degree of this polynomial is 5. Example 3, 10. Now 10 is a polynomial. 10 can be written as 10 multiplied by 1 and 1 can be written as x raised to power 0, as any number raised to power 0 is 1. Therefore, the degree of 10 is 0. Degree of any non-zero constant polynomial is 0. Degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Let's learn degree of a polynomial in more than one variable. The highest sum of the powers of variables in each term of the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. Example, 3m cube n raised to power 6 plus 7m square n cube minus mn is a polynomial in two variables m and n. For the first term, 3m cube n raised to power 6, the sum of powers of m and n is 3 plus 6, which is equal to 9. For the second term, 7m square n cube, sum of powers of m and n is 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. For the third term, that is negative mn, the power of m is 1 and the power of n is also 1. So therefore, the sum of powers of m and n is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Here the highest sum of powers is 9 and therefore the degree is 9. Types of polynomials based on degree of polynomials in one variable. If the degree of polynomial is 1, it is called a linear polynomial. Example, 3x minus 1, 7y. Standard form of linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a and b are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. If the degree of a polynomial is 2, it is called quadratic polynomial. Example, 2y square plus y plus 1 or negative 3x square. Here the degree of this two polynomial is 2 and hence they are quadratic polynomial. Standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. Cubic polynomial, if the degree of a polynomial is 3, it is called cubic polynomial. Example, x cube plus x square plus 2x plus root 3 or m minus m cube is also a cubic polynomial. Standard form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are coefficients and a is not equal to 0. Today we have seen few of the topics related to polynomials. In the next video, we'll continue with the same topic. Thank you.